Hi, I'm Dr. Greg McDonald. I'm a veterinarian in Southern California, and I own McDonald Animal Hospital in Santa Barbara. Today we're going to talk a little bit about health care of your dog and older dogs that might have joint pain. It's a very, very common problem for dogs. They get to be 8, 9, 10 years old. They start to have stiff joints, and the owners first notice after a long walk or overdoing it on the beach one day. The next day they're very, very difficult time getting up, especially if they've been sleeping for a little while. And so that's the first sign that the owners usually notice that an animal is starting to have joint pain. We're very fortunate now. When I first graduated from school, we didn't have a lot of products, but now we have a lot of products, and we start out with what we call Nutraceuticals. Nutraceuticals are kind of halfway between a nutrient and a pharmaceutical, and so they're very, very safe for your dog. If it was unfortunate enough that your dog broke into the whole box and ate it, it's not going to hurt your dog, as opposed to what some of the pharmaceuticals might do. So we start out with those first when the dog first starts showing these signs, and I'll go over a few of those products with you now. One of the ones that we like is called Duralactin. Duralactin is formulated from cow's milk. It's a special protein that they've isolated from cow's milk that actually cuts down on inflammation throughout the whole body. So this is actually a very, very nice product if there's inflammation in the liver, kidneys, or the joints. And so it's another nice product. We call it a nutraceutical, again, because it's a nutrient, halfway between a nutrient and a pharmaceutical. One of my other favorite ones that we like to use is called Consequent. Consequent is a little more specific, and it helps dogs with their joint problems. Once again, it's a really, really nice product because it can't hurt the dog, and you can start it out. Now, one of the things that everybody needs to notice is when you first start it, you don't notice any changes. It takes a week or sometimes even a month before you notice all of the benefits from these products. Another product that I like is called Glycoflex. And Glycoflex is another nutraceutical, and I like this one because it has like 10 different ingredients in it. And Glycoflex, it comes as a nice little chewable tablet. You can give this to your dog every day, and it's going to help with the joint pain. Once your dog, this is a disease that's progressive, and once your dog keeps showing signs and you've already had them on nutraceuticals for sometimes a year or two, and then they're still getting sore again, then we step up into the pharmaceutical area, and we've got lots of different products there as well. Duramax is the one I like the most, but again, that's a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, and it does have some more side effects that the nutraceuticals don't have. So once we choose that, then we start doing a little blood testing, be sure we aren't harming the dog, checking the liver enzymes, and also being sure that the dog is not getting sick. So they can start having GI signs if we keep high levels of that going for a long time period.